In this episode of HRK Vlogs, we're installing a new back window. Welcome back to another episode of HRK Vlogs. In this one, we are installing a back window into this 1960 Ford F100. We've had this project for a little bit, and really kind of just what happened with this one is a customer brought us a big box of parts, and we've slowly just been piecing this thing back together. Recently, Ryan did some work to it.
Yep, so I just got the hood put on it right before we left for Bonneville. We're just back. I'm just getting back to it. We're going to put the back window in. I already got all the rest of the windows in and seated. The next thing after that is going to be kind of finishing up the interior. Still got the seat to put in. We got a wire in the dash and just a few small things, but this thing's getting pretty close to getting out of here.
Yep, so we got a new back window from LMC Truck. That was one of the things that was missing from the truck that he didn't have in the box of parts. So we bought that, bought a new gasket for it, and today we are going to be installing it.
No, you'll go this way.
The way we had it.
Yeah, this way.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tempered glass, which means that this, because this is going to go on that way, and then this will end up being on the inside when we put it on.
Yeah, this way.
Okay, so go ahead and lay that back down.
You want to start with the bottom?
No, just lay it back down the way you had it. We're going to measure the center.
22 and 8. Yeah. Here, hang on. Let's stand this up on edge. And then do this side too.
Did you clock in? Yep. hold it inside, but I'll put it outside. You go on this. Should be able to kind of set that with somewhat on the bottom. Hit the bottom.
See, that's what's in there the whole way now.
Yeah.
Okay, do it now.
Okay, slap the glass with a flat hand, like right in here. Losing it. If